As you can see, my Jeep's getting a little sad and droopy. It's leaning towards the passenger side pretty bad. And the springs are getting wore out and bent. I don't know if it shows really good on the video, but you can see that the spring has bent here. That's what's causing it to droop. So when I see the springs are bent, I'm kind of belly aching to my wife about it and saying I'm gonna have to spend money and get you new springs. And I bought a rough country lift and put in this, and put it in about 4.5 years ago, and she's mentioned, well, they have a warranty, don't they? And oh yeah, sure enough. So we looked it up, and the springs were still under warranty. So they had a number to text, and I texted them and asked what it would take to get them warranted. And they just asked for a picture. So I crawled under there, took a picture, and texted it to them. I said, okay, we'll get you a new spring sent out. And a few days later, I guess it's probably about 3 or 4 days later, got home, and my springs were sitting on the front porch waiting for me. Instead of just sending me one, they sent me a new pair of them. And they look a little bit different than the originals, so they must have redesigned them. But I thought that was pretty cool, that they warranted them so easily. So we're going to go ahead and replace these springs. I'm cleaning up the threads on the U-bolts just so it's less struggle to get the nuts off. And I'm going to spray a little bit of PB Blaster on there just to assist and keep it from galding up the threads. First, I'll remove the U-bolts. Then I'll remove the front bolt. Then I'll remove the rear bolt. Side by side, you can tell the difference between the new and old springs. You can also see how bad the bushing was worn. I put a little anti-seize on the threads just to keep it from all resting together. As you can see, it's sitting level again, and I don't think I showed it very good before. It actually lifted it up probably an inch, maybe even a little bit more in the back. Now it's time to go test it out. See how much the spring has to flex while going off-road. if you're shopping for a lift, trying to decide what kind to get. I will say at least Rough Country has a really good warranty, and they honor it with almost zero hassle. Thanks for watching. If you like the material, like and subscribe.